Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix the GTA 5 stuck unloading. So let's start. Make sure to follow my steps. Firstly, go to the Windows taskbar. You can see this upside arrow. You need to click it. After that, look for the launcher that you have your game on, which is most likely Steam or Epic Games. After that, select it, right click, and then select exit. Now wait for a moment. For the second step, go to the Windows search bar and look for NVIDIA app. If you can't find it, make sure to download it from the browser. Now once it opens, make sure to create or sign up with your account, and then go to the left and select drivers. After that, click on install, which is the right button right here. You can choose between custom or express. I leave it as default. After that, click on continue to initiate the process. For the next step, go to the search bar once again. Now type in device manager. This window will pop up. So firstly, make sure to look for display adapters. Open this side arrow. After that, look for your graphics card, either NVIDIA or AMD. Do not choose the first one, which is the integrated graphics card. So right click on it. After that, select update driver. Now select search automatically for drivers. After that, click close. For the last step, go to the Windows taskbar, right click. After that, click on task manager. The task manager will pop up like this. So if you can look at here, you can see this memory and CPU percentages. Make sure you have both of them under 100%. How to do that is so simple. Just look for useless applications running in the background. For me, like Steam, right click on it. After that, click end task, and make sure you meet the minimum requirements in order to run the game without any issues. So you need to have at least 4 GB of VRAM in your graphics card. Now if you still have trouble, just go to the Windows icon right here. After that, make sure to restart your computer, and that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.